Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a restored 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This one has a small block 355 with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's painted in Tuxedo black with black interior. Okay, let's start here at the rear of the vehicle. So let's take a look at this rear glass here and the roof. So there's your roof line. I love that body line right in the center there. We got that beautiful wrap around rear window there. Coming back here, we got that really cool gas cap. Let's open that up, as you can see. And we got the power antenna back here. All the chrome and trim look beautiful in this car. There's your rear tail lights, the circular tail lights, and the beautiful chrome bumpers here. And let's spin this car around. Rear end, we have a 355 limited slip rear end. And then obviously you can see it's got the knockoff wheels. So we do have the lead hammer that comes with it in the back of the car. And we have BF Goodrich Silvertown radial tires. And the size, if I can find it here, just zoom in a bit here. It's a 205/75 R15, and we have them on the front as well. Cool looking tire. Love these wheels on this car. Let's take a look at the interior now. It's all black interior. Here's your door lock, your door release, a handle, and then we have the handle for the crank for the vent windows. The side windows are power and they work really well. Door panel looks great. Take a look at this dash. Beautiful Corvette dash. I love the way these look. Just an iconic look. Let's open the glove compartment while we're here. You see it's got the original owner's manual in the car. Show you the door jambs. Just a nice tight car. It looks great. If you look down, you can see the side pipes coming out there, and it sounds really great when you're sitting there. Corvette floor mats. The carpet looks great, all black. Let's scan this bucket seat here. Looks great. Fold that down. Then you got your rear compartment back here. We do have a storage compartment down there below as well. Okay, let's put this back up, and I just want to make sure the seatbelt doesn't get caught there. We'll close the door up now, and let's take a look back here. So beautiful body lines on a 66. As you can see here, glass looks great on this car. Again, the bright work looks great. Beautiful body lines coming around here. Those fenders, and there's your knockoff wheels. Those side pipes are something else. All right. When I fire it up, you're gonna see how great this thing sounds. We got the front bumpers here, the grille underneath there, and the headlights do retract. And then underneath the hood there, you can see it's all painted satin. And then here is your engine. So it's a 355 small block, and it runs healthy. It's got an MSD ignition system. Nice polished aluminum valve covers. We got ceramic coated headers, and they go right into those the side pipe exhaust. Nice alternator, chromed out. And then there's your fan. Let's close this now. The hood is something else. It's the big block hood, and it just looks great on this. Kind of got that real Stingray look to it. And we'll make our way to the front now. Side, I should say, and check out the wheels over here and over here. All right, let's check out the door panel on this side. So same as the other side, the locks, your door release, your handle, and your window crank for your vent window. Door panel looks great on this side as well. I'll show you the dash looks great there. There's your speaker grill, and then all your gauges. Let's check out the door jambs again. Nice and clean. Pedals down there. It's a 4-speed, so you got the clutch pedal there is extra. You could shift this one, and we'll scan the seat here. You can see it looks great. All right, we'll hop in the car now. Grab the keys before I get in it so we can start it up when we get to that point. Okay, let's check out the steering wheel. So you got the nice sport steering wheel. It's like a wood grain finish, 3-spoke with the Corvette flags and the horn here. Horn works, and we have all functional gauges here. We'll go ahead and start it up now. If I got the right key here. There we go, it fires right up. I did not even hit the throttle, and it's cold. It hasn't been running. We got lights over here. Here's your lights here. We'll flip this up so we can see them on. There they go up there. As you can see, there's your really cool hood and those fenders. Great view from here inside. Let's put this window down here. You can see that functions well. Put that one down. I'm just gonna make sure that it's not in gear here. Let's put the parking brake on. Show you the gauges all function here. Your Tach. We got the clock in the center. I don't think that's working right now. We'll have a look at that. And then we have gauges here. Here's your AM/FM radio. I don't think that works either, but we do have, it is there. It's all there. We got the 4-speed transmission. It's a Muncie 4-speed, and we got a Hurst shifter here. Really cool with the cue ball there. Got an ashtray there. There's your 4-speed design, your power window functions, and then we have your seat belts in the center here. I'm gonna turn on the lights, and we'll hop out of the car. And let's listen to that. Wow, let's give it a little bit of fuel. Oh wow, what a great sounding Corvette. Love these old Corvettes. Close that door. Let's make our way to the front now. I'll show you the headlights on this car. We got the high beams on as well, and you can see it's just a great, great car. Spin it around. Listen to the exhaust. Incredible. It sounds even better when you're driving down the road. The lights are working in the back there as well. It's just a really, really clean 66. So here we have it, a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, 355 small block with a 4-speed transmission, 355 gear, and side pipes and knockoffs. Painted in Tuxedo Black with black interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.